Hello, welcome back to Kerry's Kitchen. Well, Sunday breakfast. I've got something really special. Yesterday I've been down to the markets. I love going to the markets down here. As you know, I keep telling you every week I go to the markets because there's so many of them. You know, there's 5, 6 different markets I can go to, so depending on how I feel, what I want to get out of there, I go down there. But this week is special because I've got myself some beautiful mushrooms. And with the mushrooms, I'm going to make curried crab stuffed mushrooms. They're beautiful. You can have them for brunch, breakfast. Don't get shy of them. They're really nice, and mushrooms are a great protein. Let's get started. What I've got myself is a mixing bowl. I'm going to add to that mixing bowl half of a medium-sized onion. Then I'm going to add some sour cream in with that. About a quarter of a cup sour cream. Then some cream cheese. Mix some cream cheese in there. You can already tell that this is going to be an excellent little dish. So I've emptied those and I'm going to start mixing them in with my wooden spoon. Just sort of get them all moving around. Let's get some movement going in. Now that I've mixed all that up, I'm going to add my curry powder, which is a teaspoon, I've some salt and some garlic salt, some garlic. So I'm going to mix that in with my, there you go. Now I've got some mayonnaise, which will go in. It's an easy, once you put it all together, I prepared it earlier because I like to get things all ready into bowls, set up just to help you guys just see how quick and easy it can be. And with that, I've also got some cheddar cheese, about half a cup of cheddar cheese that goes in there. Get it all in. I enjoy mixing all these things together because it's a great result when you've finished stirring it all through. There you go. It smells great. You can smell that curry coming through. You know, cheddar cheese isn't the only thing you can use. I mean, brie works really well with mushroom, and I'll probably do a dish with brie and mushroom soon. So that's starting to look great. Now I've mixed all that in, what I'm going to do is stir in my crab. Now, admittedly, I'm just using a tin of crab meat. A tin of crab meat is excellent for this. If you caught yourself a really good mud crab out in Broadwater or something good, use it. But I'm not a very good fisherman. The fish I ever see is the fish shop. So I'm going to mix that in. Just slowly, well, stir it in and get it all ready. That's pretty much ready to go now. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. It's smooth. It's all mixed in. Now it's ready to go on the mushrooms. Now that I've got my mix all smooth, ready to go, I'm going to put that to one side. I've set myself up a tray, a baking tray. I've put a bit of foil and I've sprayed a little bit of olive oil over it. So that's ready to go. Now earlier I prepared my beautiful, look, beautiful portobello. I've peeled them. I peeled the skin off and I've taken out the stem. So I'm going to put them down and sit them nicely on the tray. Then I'm going to grab a spoon and I'm going to feed in this beautiful mixture. And I'm just going to fill up the top of it. These are really, really easy to make once you put all your cream together, and they're just really nice. It's a lovely mixture. And mushrooms are such a beautiful thing. I'm trying to use more and more mushrooms as we go, and it's just such a beautiful thing. There, look at that. Now all I have to do, this is a really simple meal, and you know, all you have to do is just put it in the oven. I've got the oven already preheated at 180. I'm going to load these up because I just know how good they taste. So anyway, there they are. Now I'm going to put them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 180, and then let's see how they look after that. So let's put them in the oven now. You know this is my favourite part. There you go. Okay, let's check this and see how it's going. I think it's starting to be ready. Well, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Oh, look. Turn the oven off. Look at that. It's just absorbed down everywhere. Those mushrooms are well and truly cooked. Let's plate this up. This is starting to get tricky because it's everywhere. The sauce is everywhere, but that's not unusual. It will happen like that. The sauce will go everywhere, but it's lovely. Don't even think about not scooping the sauce on and just putting it on top, because it really works. Now I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of spring onion on top. I'm going to put some tomatoes, as I normally do. I like putting tomatoes on there because tomatoes are a beautiful thing to look at when you're doing it. Some parsley. Let's put some parsley on top. Who doesn't like parsley? And just to make it look good, I really want to give somebody some strawberries. There. There we have it. What a beautiful dish. Curried crab stuffed mushrooms. I've put them on a plate and then you share them from there, one each, and if you can eat one, you're doing very well. There's plenty of sauce left. There's plenty of sauce left. It makes more than 2. You can make 4, and depending on what size you want the mushrooms. The mushrooms are portobello, and it's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.